Alright guys, so I've been trying to start my 2JZ engine for a little bit now. It's not starting. I think I have it wired all correctly. I got these diagrams from some place online. I'll put the link in the description if you guys are interested. So what I did is, when I got this, I was missing these two plugs, F59 and F60 plug. So basically what I did is I just bought just the plugs without the pins or anything like that from Toyota online. And I kind of just shoved these wires in there. I'm not really sure if that's the reason why it's not starting, because maybe these aren't tight enough. I don't know. I know that these wires right here are definitely not tight enough. I could basically just pull them out. But I'll show you what I did with these plugs. So I just shoved the wire in there and kind of wrapped it around. I don't know how well you can see that. So that's what I did to these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these plugs to the junkyard and see if I can't find a Toyota with like similar pins, like the pin size. So I could just cut those plugs off with some wire hanging out and take the pins out and use them for in here. So I don't know if that's my problem or not, but if it isn't, I don't know what the hell is wrong with this. Maybe I'm just stupid. But so I got my fuel pump all kind of rigged up. I think I got a sufficient ground. I got the ground going right here, which I've seen on another video from the battery, and I also have a ground, just a jumper cable coming off the battery to the injector thingy rail, and then there was a ground wire hanging off the engine right here, so I just connected that too. So I'm definitely getting the ground, I think. So hopefully those plugs are the problem, and we'll find out shortly. Alright guys, so I just got back from the junkyard. I got a couple different plugs. I'll show you what I got. So I just pulled this plug off just a random Toyota, because I was thinking I might be able to use these pins. But I also did bring one of the plugs that I bought from Toyota for the 2JZ ECU. And I think I matched the plug I got with these. So these are off a Lexus ES300. I don't know what year. I'll put some pictures of it in the video right now so you guys can see it. I was just looking around and saw that, and I thought I might check, and had a V6 engine in it. I'm not really sure which one. I have a couple pictures of the ECU in there too. But so I think these plugs might work. Let me try them out. Oh shit. Alright guys, so they do fit. That is freaking awesome. I don't have to go searching around for new plugs all the time. So these three plugs I already have, and these are the two that I showed you earlier that I bought from Toyota. But that's freaking awesome, guys. So hopefully that helps you guys out if you guys are looking for these, because when I bought my 2JZ, it didn't come with these plugs. So that's awesome. So now hopefully this will work on my engine. I'll be able to start the thing, because it really sucks not being able to have this thing running. So yeah guys, let me hook this up and see if it works. Alright guys, well still I didn't get it started. I don't think it's the plugs now. I talked to one of my friends, and we're starting to think that it might be a crank angle sensor, or one of the two cam sensors. I'm gonna check those. I read on the forums how to check them and stuff. But what's I gonna say? Oh, I'm getting spark now, which is good. Spark in all the cylinders. I pulled the plugs, connected them back up to the spark plug wires. Almost just tripped there and killed myself. And I grounded them on a piece of metal, and I have spark in all the cylinders. So now I'm starting to think it's fuel. And I did spray some starter fluid in there, and it exploded out the intake. So might be injectors, might be the sensors. I'm also going to check timing too, that's another thing. But I just looked over the footage that I took earlier, and I noticed that you couldn't see this diagram that I had. See if it'll focus now. Alright, so these are the ones I highlighted are all the power that I gave it to these plugs. So these are all power wires going to the positive of the battery. I also connected up this EC pin because it said it was a ground. I was just making sure that might be one of my problems, but that didn't work either. And then this is the starter. It goes to this plug right here. Oh, throwing stuff. So I have that pin wired up to the starter switched, the starter relay switch power, and then I have those connected together, and then I brought that over to the basically just one wire. So when I go to start, I just touch that one wire on the positive. So yeah, guys, that's all the wiring. If you see something wrong, please help me. I really would like to get this thing started in the next 10 years or so. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap up this video. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate all the help and support on this page. I just recently hit 100 subscribers, which is pretty awesome. For me at least. It's not a whole lot of subscribers compared to a lot of other YouTubers, but it's crazy to think that 100 people think my videos are interesting, and man, I really appreciate it. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, and if you want to see more videos like it, please like, comment, subscribe. Also, I'm going to be trying to figure this out in the next few days, so hopefully I'm going to be working on it tomorrow. So hopefully I'll get you guys like a follow-up video pretty soon, and you guys will see what's wrong with this thing. Hopefully it's not too much. But thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching.